Hello! Today I am going to try and propagate some plants for our developing chicken coop. So come along.
It's the key! I thought it wouldn't be the key. Oh my gosh! Got some peppers growing. I don't see. And I don't know what this is. Anyway, focus. So, I think today I'm gonna propagate rosemary and lavender. I've never done it before, but let's do it. I mean, it's still a container, but it seems to be broken. Let's see if we've got other ones. Ah, you see? Got some. What's this? Good drainage at the bottom. The water was full, but now it is out. So now I'm going to go and get the plants. Let's go and cut some plants and then we'll just stick them in here. This is lavender. Ah, that's fine. Is it? Lavender. And then rosemary. I made a little bit of a mistake. Remember that tray that I was like, oh, I'm gonna use this to propagate the plants? See? I'll use this. Well, that was actually a tray that my mom had used to plant apple trees. So luckily I threw everything in in that black thingy, I was able to then retrieve all of the seeds from the soil. Luckily I didn't just throw it on the ground, because that would have been almost very challenging to find. Then I found another tray and had to replant those apple seeds. So yeah, right now I'm just getting my tray and then I'm gonna water it. This is where I left it. So here are my apple seeds. I've watered them even though it doesn't look watered. And here are the rosemary ones and lavender over here. Very messy process. Oh, still a lot of water in here, but it's looking promising. Hey plants, I love you so much, and I believe that you guys can grow. You can do this, okay? I love you. Please grow, because we need you for the chicken coop. Love you. I have got to show you guys this. Look at this watermelon! It's so big! Oh my goodness! I think if we would have left the other one, then it was going to also be... I know there'll be some color. Yeah. There is sun.